Hi, in the last lessons, we learned how to convert a wide table to a tall table. That is the requirement in Power BI. In these lessons, we are going to learn some of the extra transformation options given inside Power BI. Let us understand. So this is an Excel sheet. Excel sheets contains different fields like order ID, date of sales, customers, date of birth, gender of the customers, and sales amount that is made against the customers, made by the customers. Okay. So this order ID, if you see, this is the combination of store ID and customer ID. Okay. So this is the date of sales, and this is the name of the customers, and date of birth of the customers, then gender of the customers, and sales amount. There are some issues with this Excel sheets. First, these fields, customer field, if you see, some of the fields are missing. Okay. Some of the cells are empty cells. What does it mean? So, does it mean that there are no customers for this? Yes, there are some customers name here. Okay. So, for the past three, suppose take for example for these past three customers, okay, orders. So, who is the customer? Ruby Patel is the customers. Next, for the next five, if you see, next four, if you see, Herschel is the customers, and so on. If you see. So, what the data entry operator has done here? um he has not done some mistakes, but what he has done, he has tried to save some times as a result of which he has that kept this cell empty. Similarly, if you see here also in gender columns, there are some mistakes. Okay, like the gender of the customer uh, should be written as male, whereas it is written as MLE, and female also F male it is written. Okay, so there are some issues with this data sheets or the Excel sheets, and Power BI will find it difficult to read. You will not be able to read. Okay, as a result of which we need to rectify this. There are two ways we can rectify this. Number one, that in Excel sheet we can correct it, like we can select this and drag like this. Okay, we can drag like this, it will be corrected. Okay, or what we can do, we have another option inside Power BI query editor. We can also use that options and we can also correct it. So Excel we can do, but if you are dealing with a large set of data sets like 50,000 customer, 1 lakh customers, it will be very time consuming to handle this. Okay. So therefore, it is easy that we should go for Power BI query editor. Let us see. So how we can transform this data inside Power BI query editor. Okay. So we have to import the data first, Excel sheets. Okay. From Excel sheets, we can see this like open. Let us see. Let us wait for a few seconds. Data is getting loaded up. Okay. So now navigator box has been opened. Okay. There are three that Excel sheets are there. One is extra transformation, tall table and wide table we have seen, and here is this one we want to load it. Okay, so we want to load. So before loading that, we have to transform the data because there are some issues in the data sets. Therefore, what we need to do, we have to go for that Power BI query editor. We need to transform data. Okay, so now data will get the data reflected here in the query editor box. So this is the data sheet. Okay. This is the data sheet that uh, that we are looking for, and there are problem with this field, and there are also some problem with gender field as we have. So there are some missing data here, and here there are some data that are mistakenly typed, like male is typed as MLE and female is typed as F male. So these are the two mm, changes that corrections that we are going to make. So within this, what we need to do? So we have one. This is transformations we are doing. So first we have to see there are some options here. Okay, like fill and replace. Suppose in this case, what happens? We'll select first because this is the field that we are going to fill. Okay, so we have to select first, then we have to go for the options, fill options. Okay, so then there are two other options comes, like we will fill it down or fill it up. What does it mean? Like if you are selecting fill it down, that means this Ruby Patel will be filled up in the lower sides, two cells below it. Okay. Similarly, if you are going for down options, it will go for hot cells will be typed or filled in the empty cells below lying it. Okay, so likewise, if we are putting the options, we are selecting the options as up, that means hot cell will be typed or filled above these cells. Okay, that we are not looking for. What we are looking for, we are looking for the down options. So let us select. So now we see, so this is the change that we, so basically if you see that Power BI is having these options, we can use these options for filling thousands of data. Okay, missing data we can do. So there are other mistakes that we have found, that in the gender sites, that is called this male is written as MLE and female is written as F male. Okay, so what we can do, similarly we can select this gender, then we can go for replace value. Okay, so now we'll see the replace. So what it is, M, find, we need to find what, MLE. So MLE will be replaced as MALE. Okay, then we can go for option. So now this is corrected, we can see this is the correct. So similarly there is there is a mistake here, we can see. Okay, female, this one is there is a mistake, so we are going to that correct this. So once again we will select this field, then we will go for replace, then F male, find F male and replace with female. This is okay, now it is rectified. So now after doing that, what we can do, we can go for close and apply. Okay, so let us also see this applied steps. What we have done, we have gone to the source, then navigated, then transformed, we have done promoted the header. Okay, this is already there. Okay, and this change type, then fill down, we use the option fill down, then we have two times we have replaced, one for male, another for female we have done. These are the steps that we have applied, this appears here. Then we can go for close and apply. Okay, then we can go for under home tab, there is close and apply, we can go for that, so that the data will be loaded inside Power BI. Okay, close and apply. Now it is data is getting loaded, okay, inside Power BI. So this is how we can rectify data, we can fill data, we can replace data inside Power BI. Okay, so that data is getting loaded, it is taking a little time. Extra transform done. So there are 31 rows we have found. Okay, so then we can go for this. This is, we can go for the data. It's coming. Build your visuals. So it is getting loaded. So order ID, date of sales, customer's name. It is taking a little time. Yes, it has come now. Okay, so these are the changes we have looked into. These are the changes, like we have replaced male female. Okay, then this customer sales has been filled. Then we can, whatever visuals we can do, we can come to the report view, we can go for this. Okay, so we can, these are the fields, so these are the fields we can, so whatever visuals that we want to make, we can build according after that. Okay, that's for the lessons. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.